So today's video shout out goes to Ramesh Jaiswal. So thank you so much for commenting on my video. So if you want a shout out as well, just subscribe to my channel and comment down below and I will mention you in my next video. So guys, tomorrow is my birthday and last day of this birthday series. So before that, I thought of doing this 24 hours birthday glow up challenge. So in this video, I'll be showing you my pamper routine and also like you can see like I am looking like a total mess right now because I have not even washed my face. So this is like the whole point of this video, that I'll be looking like this right now. And then tomorrow after 24 hours I'll be looking all dolled up and all glamorous. So yeah, let's get started with this glow up routine. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. Okay guys, so first of all you can see like I have not even washed my face, not even my hair. So first we are going for all skincare routine like my face, and we'll concentrate on our body care routine. So I'm not going to focus much on my hair because any which ways tomorrow I'm going to get a haircut done. So I will only focus on my face, my body care and everything else. So you will see. So the first step which we are going for is first we need to wash my face. Okay guys, so you can click a screenshot as well today like how I look before this glam up routine, and then you will see me all dolled up tomorrow. So yeah, let me tell you that I am not going to do like my eyebrows part today because I have done like a eyebrow routine as well. If you want to watch that video, I will link that somewhere around here and also in my description box, so you can check that out as well. Because any which ways I'm going for a haircut, so I thought when I go for a haircut I will do like a eyebrow over there only, because it has been like 4 months that I have not got like a proper threading done. So this time I will, because it is my birthday. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I have washed my face, hands and legs. So now it is all super clean. So you can see I have hair growth on my hair and legs. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to do my waxing at home only. So before waxing, I'm going to do a body scrub. So I'm going to use this M Caffeine body scrub on my face, hand and leg all. So guys, I will mention all the products that I'm using today in my description box below. So don't forget to check it out if I missed something to say. So first I'm going to apply water all over and then I'm going to use this scrub. It is a very nice coffee based scrub. It really helps in removing dead skin and tan. So I'm scrubbing my entire body using this coffee scrub. So after scrubbing you can see how fresh my face and my hands look. It has made my skin soft and supple and very glowy. After scrubbing, the next step is to use this wheat coal wax strips. So it is very convenient to use, but if you are a beginner you will find it a bit difficult while doing your hand waxing, but for legs it is super easy. So before moving on to the waxing, I am going to apply this neem face pack only on my spots as a spot treatment. You can also use it on your acne marks as well. Moving on to the waxing part, I'm going to use this wheat wax strip on my hands and legs both. So now let's get started. So I'm not giving like an in-depth tutorial. If you want, I will do like a separate video on that as well. So it is very easy. You can do on your own as well, like I am doing over here. Okay guys, so now the complete waxing is done. So it took me around 15 to 20 minutes. So now I will wash my face and my hands and feet as well. So now for the face pack, I am going to use this Mamaearth Upton face pack. It is very smooth in application and it provides instant glow on your face. So I am going to apply this all over my face and neck. Next up, for my hands and legs, I am going to use this homemade besan and haldi pack on my hands and feet. So if you want like the ingredients, I will mention this in my description box below, so you can check that out as well. So I will cover my entire hand and leg as well. So you can see I am looking like a total mess right now. So after 20 minutes, you need to take a shower. Okay guys, so I have took a shower. I have washed my hair as well. So this is how my skin looks. It looks super fresh, super glowy. You can see. So now just moisturize your leg nicely after waxing. Next, for the face, I am going to use this sheet mask by Garnier, and it will help me relax and calm my face. you can do like a massage as well. So I'm using this wooden massager. If you want, I will link this as well in my description box below. This will help the serum to absorb more into my skin and also provide that instant glow and blood circulation to my face. So after 20 minutes, remove your sheet mask. Okay guys, so now moving on to the nails part, I am going to do like a really cute and easy nail art design. So first you need to remove the old nail paint. So guys, I am going to paint my toenails as well. Next day I got a haircut done. So I just got the basic trimming done and a U-cut. So this is how my hair looks after the trimming. I have got it a little short but I really liked it. Moving on to the makeup part. So I have tried to done my makeup very easy and simple because I like it that way. So yeah, let's get started with the makeup part. So I'm just going to color correct my acne spots with this red lipstick. And then I'm going to use this Olivia liquid foundation in the shade 02 Natural Glow and applying it all over my face. Then with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this foundation into my skin. Next, to set my entire face, I am going to use this Lakme Rose Powder. So it is a loose powder and it is very good to set your face. Base is done. Moving on to the eyes, I am going to use this Faces Canada Kajal and tightlining my upper and lower waterline. Next, I am going to use this brown eyeshadow and using it as a base shadow. So for the eyes, I am not doing much. I am just doing like a mild smoky eyes. Next, I am going to take this black eyeshadow and doing like an eyeliner thing with this one. If you want, you can use like a proper eyeliner as well, but I don't want proper liner thing. I want everything to be smudged and nice. So here I am going to smoke my lower lash line as well with that black eyeshadow. Next I am going to use this shimmer shade and applying on my complete eyelid. So yeah, that is it for the eyes guys. I really didn't want it to do much. I am happy with the results what I've got with this. So just taking that black eyeshadow again and making my eyeliner more thick so it is visible properly. After that, using like a small precise brush, I am going to highlight my inner corner. Lastly, finishing my eye makeup using a nice coat of mascara. And yeah guys, that's it for my makeup part. For my lips, again I'm going to use that red lipstick from NY Bae. Also guys, I forgot to mention that I have got my threading done as well. For my hair, I'm not doing much. I'm just going to comb it out and leave it open. Moving on to the accessories, I will try to link the accessories as well in my description box below. If you want, you can check that out as well. And yeah guys, that's it for this makeup look. This is what pretty much I'm going to do for my birthday as well. So this makeup look is very simple you guys. It will hardly take you like 10 to 15 minutes to do this. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed my birthday glow up routine, and first of all thank you so much for giving so much of love and support on this birthday series. So tomorrow is the last day of my birthday series and also my birthday, so also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Till then, bye.